We've just started our trek to the Taranaki Falls, and this is actually a segment of one of the Great Walks in New Zealand called the Tongariro Great Walk. And we also technically did a portion of it yesterday on the Tongariro Alpine Crossing. So this loop should take us about 2 hours, I suppose, to go see the falls and get back. We've now entered the forest part of this trek, it looks like, on our way to the falls. I believe when we were reading the description, it said we would go through multiple kinds of landscapes on our way there. So this would be the second. You can see the chateau in the distance, kind of where we started our trek. And over there we have Mount Ruapehu. It's been looming behind us during our whole walk so far. Nice little grassland area. And then I don't know if you can see it in the video, but just over those trees there is Mount Narahoe, covered in the clouds. Just walking on the boardwalk now on our way to the falls in the woods. Well, we're walking alongside the river now on our way up to Taranaki Falls. Got ourselves quite the rapids going here. Nice little view of the river here. Well, we're at a bridge here. This nice little drop in falls into the pool. It might be Taranaki Falls. We haven't seen a sign yet, so we can't be too sure. But it's pretty nonetheless. Well, here we are at the top of Taranaki Falls. As you can see, I'm standing right over the very edge of it. And it goes down there into that pool. And all of the people down below. Probably taking pictures to see if I'm gonna fall or not. Leaving the falls and heading back to the chateau now. On this nice little grasslands area here with a good view of Mount Ruapehu. Bit more of our walk back to the chateau. Got an interesting coloration in the soil in here with some water. Alright, so we just finished Taranaki Falls and we are going to head over to the chateau over there in the distance with that blue roof, and gonna try some tea time, hopefully. Have some tea and biscuits.